Hello everybody, today we are gonna speak about the basic things in Overdrift Festival. So the best things, what you need to know before starting this game. So I'm gonna talk about the menu, just to understand what to press and where to find everything, main settings, um, and also just a few things like icons and stuff, how the game works here. So to begin with, we have the menu. So there is a map. So players map. In the right, you see the players in the server, and this is the whole map. This is America. And if you want to teleport somewhere, you see the cursor here. You just choose the place, press enter, and wait. This is how you make a fast travel here. So another thing is the player menu. There is a daily task and weekly task you need to complete every day or in the week. This is how you get the points, level up. Then the cars. So there is a car menu, and in the bottom there is a car store where you can take the car from the garage, which is not yours at the moment. They are free. The cars you get by leveling up. So after you level up, yep, after you level up, you get a new random car, which you can tune. As you see, mine one. This is a 50% tuned car. This is a 100% tuned car. Also, there is a premium DLC that you can get more cars. That's all about this. So server browser, choosing the servers. Now it is the morning, so everybody's sleeping, not much players. What you need to know more, customization. There is choosing the color of your car. Yep. Uh, then there is a overpass written, the blue one. So this is for the premium guys. But you can change the wheels, you can change the decal of the tires, you can change the engine sound, like here. You can choose whatever you want here. Exhaust system. So this is, I'm talking about the stuff like these sounds. Turbo, not many. Yep. Then neon, muffler, how it looks like. The cockpit, so the interior actually. Then window tint is for premium guys, tread design for premium, horn and cargo also for premium. And next thing you need to know is the performance of the car. So main thing, the car in this game has its own money. So every car has its own money. You see, there is a 60,000 money. This car has 100,000. This one I didn't play much, 635. Yeah, but every car has its own money, so keep it in mind. After performance, you need to start by upgrading engine and steering for the beginning, but in the end, it needs to be everything to 100%. And tech tuning. So main settings you want to do, the first thing is front and rear tires pressure. So for me it's to 1 to 3. Yep, and you can make also like 2-0 to 2. It's I found it the best for the beginning. Adaptive power control to 0. It makes the acceleration faster. More things, front right height. So just to keep your car drifting and drop your back of the car into the front. So front right height, you need to put it like somewhere around 120% to 125. I keep it 120%. Then front camber. Front camber is about minus 7.50 to minus 7. It's a good angle, but nice to start with minus 750. And weight distribution, put it on 51%. it will be easier to put your back into the front. So this is the main things. What you need to know more is the settings and input. So two things, steering assist is on, yeah, and steering animation smooth. Why? This is because uh, this game works kind of different, uh, and those assists you take bigger speed. Other guys are using this also, so if you want to keep up and do tandems, drift with them already, you need this. Because if you're choosing another setting, which is called, I mean, turning off everything, you won't get such speed while drifting and you will be that loser. Also, gearbox, go to manual sequential. You need this. I mean, you need that thing. And when you start drifting, start using gears. You really need this. I mean, it's just how it works. Okay, so basically this is a fast tutorial. Thank you for your attention and bye bye.